about to bowl in the easiest pattern of the entire year. Scores are going to be out the wazoo. Hopefully I'm up there.
I'm going to be up there.
Also, if you guys want to subscribe, we're about to hit 100K.
Holy shoot! 100K! 100K, I'll take my shirt off.
Decide if all of the left lanes hook more or if all of the right lanes hook more. Because I feel like every pair it's like flip-flop. First pair, right lane hook more. Last pair, left lane hook more. Doing a bad job adjusting to the lanes quick enough. It's my game. It's my game. It's my game. They're just hooking. That's it. I just have to move. I just have to move. They're hooking.
I don't want it enough, I don't think, because I feel like I should be leading, but I'm not complaining where I'm at. But man, I've given up some pins, and it's just not enough, not enough.
Block 1 is over. Absolute garbage for me. Couldn't strike. Nick, you strike?
Struck a couple. It's just nice being on tour where 220 is not good.
Yeah, I went 30 over, didn't miss a spare, and I think I'm in like 40. I'm probably in like 53rd.
You're just a 200 over block away from being in the cut.
Which is gettable, to be honest. A lot of guys went 200 over, and I'm going to be there next block. Mitch, you close, though.
What's that?
You close, right?
Yeah, I'm like the number right now, at 129.
Oh. So like 36 over is good.
You're not hurting yourself. I'm 112 over and I'm 15 out. Like you're.
Well, if you saw my reaction after some of my shots, I physically hurt myself.
Just throw it like Matt Russo, because he has a daddy for about 2 games.
All I need is the daddy for 2 games. High game, 210. Low game, 180. Not good.
Can you tell me what the magic sauce is?
What, ketchup? Oh,
You got the magic sauce.
I don't know. Dino put the magic sauce on the ball. It wasn't me.
No,
Yeah, what'd
He
you do
told
last
me.
block for him?
I do have no magic sauce. I have secrets, ancient Springfield secrets.
And I don't even know about him. I live here.
That's how it is. It's that sacred that even he doesn't know.
I think Dino needs to share him with me before this block so I can go more than plus 30.
still begging for him. Doesn't matter. I'm begging the whole week.
Here's the situation. Kevin's crushing them, and I've resorted to throwing plastic. Jacob's throwing it, so why not me? But this might be the week for Kevin. Part 2. Words of Kevin Williams, he's got to dial in mentally just a little bit the back half of this game. For science.
Just grinding for science. So this morning I was a little nervous, but had a good block in the morning, came back today, seeing all the people spectating here, some of my friends and stuff, made it it's awesome just to see the atmosphere in my hometown. So I was a little more dialed into the start of the day for the second block.
Well, closing this puppy down, Kevin struck a bunch. I struggled. I think Mitch bowled okay, and I think Nick bowled okay. Big time struggle here though. Just didn't really create the right ball motion, couldn't really create the right shape on the lane to strike. Hit the pocket plenty. 12 games, didn't miss a single makeable spare. That's all I can really ask for, and hopefully finding some better ball motion tomorrow, because I'm not out of it. I just got a lot of striking to do.